Imagine this: a cup of tea that not only warms you up, but also boosts your health in ways you never imagined. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving into the magical world of cinnamon tea, a simple, aromatic beverage that's been cherished for centuries. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, boost your brain power, or just enjoy a cozy, health-packed drink, cinnamon tea might just be your new best friend. Stick around, because we've got 12 astonishing benefits of cinnamon tea that will change the way you think about your daily cup of tea. Let's get started. 1. Fights cancer cells. First up, cinnamon tea could play a surprising role in the fight against cancer cells. Studies have shown that cinnamon contains powerful compounds like cinnamaldehyde that inhibit cancer cell growth and even encourage them to self-destruct. Talk about a secret weapon. Cinnamon helps block the blood supply to tumors, cutting off their food source. And let's not forget the antioxidants in cinnamon, which protect your healthy cells from oxidative damage. It's like having an army of bodyguards keeping your cells safe. 2. Aids weight loss. Now, who wouldn't love a drink that can help with weight loss? Cinnamon tea can actually activate thermogenesis, which is your body's way of burning calories by generating heat. And if you struggle with cravings, the aroma of cinnamon can act as a natural appetite suppressant. Next time you're tempted by a snack, grab a cup of cinnamon tea instead. It's like a delicious little craving buster. 3. Boosts circulation. Did you know cinnamon tea can also boost your circulation? Cinnamon contains coumarin, which acts as a natural blood thinner. This helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Improved circulation means more oxygen and nutrients get to your cells, leaving you feeling more energized and alert. Plus, if you're always battling cold hands and feet, cinnamon tea might just be the cozy solution you need. 4. Balances blood sugar. For those of us who struggle with blood sugar spikes and crashes, cinnamon tea could be a game changer. Research shows that it helps reduce fasting blood sugar levels, keeping them stable throughout the day. Say goodbye to those mid-afternoon energy slumps and hello to steady, balanced energy. 5. Soothes inflammation. Inflammation is a common issue that can lead to chronic pain and discomfort. Luckily, cinnamon tea acts as a natural anti-inflammatory. The compound cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon helps block inflammatory markers, cooling down the internal heat. Whether you've got achy joints or just need a little internal peace, a warm cup of cinnamon tea could be just what you need to feel more comfortable and at ease. 6. Improves digestion. Let's talk digestion. Cinnamon tea can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food and absorb nutrients more efficiently. It's like giving your digestive system a gentle nudge to stay on top of its game. 7. Boosts immunity. Cinnamon is packed with antibacterial and antiviral properties, making cinnamon tea an excellent choice for boosting your immune system. It's like having a tiny army inside you, ready to fight off illness. Stay healthy and resilient, especially during cold and flu season, with this powerful, warm drink. 8. Supports heart health. Cinnamon tea isn't just for boosting energy, it's also great for your heart. It helps manage cholesterol levels by reducing LDL and boosting HDL, the good kind, keeping your arteries clear and free-flowing. So, the next time you sip on cinnamon tea, know that you're giving your heart a little love. 9. Eases breathing. Struggling to breathe easily? Cinnamon tea can act as a natural expectorant, helping to loosen mucus and clear your airways. It also reduces inflammation in your respiratory system. Next time you have a cold or allergy season hits, reach for a cup of cinnamon tea to make breathing a little easier. 10. Improves skin health. Who doesn't want healthy, glowing skin? Cinnamon tea's antioxidants fight oxidative stress, the main culprit behind wrinkles and dullness. Plus, Its antibacterial properties can help keep acne at bay. It's like a beauty treatment in a cup. 11. Boosts brain function. Need a mental boost? Cinnamon tea could be your brain's new best friend. Cinnamaldehyde has been shown to enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and protect brain cells from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Stay sharp, stay focused, and protect your mind with this brain-boosting brew. 12. Eases joint pain. Finally, if joint pain is slowing you down, cinnamon tea could help. It's full of antioxidants that protect cartilage and reduce oxidative stress, which can lead to joint degradation. So, whether it's from aging or intense workouts, a cup of cinnamon tea could give your joints the support they need. There you have it, 12 incredible benefits of cinnamon tea, each more surprising than the last. From fighting cancer cells to boosting brain health, cinnamon tea truly is a magical elixir, so why not make it part of your daily routine? Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, share it with your friends who love a good health tip, and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness content. We'd love to hear, how do you enjoy your cinnamon tea? Comment and share your point of view.